Could a dinosaur-killing asteroid strike Earth again? If the asteroid cause is the dinosaurs to go extinct, collides with Earth once again, can human civilization survive? 5 years before impact with Earth, when observing through telescopes, scientists realized that the diameter of the asteroid is 10 km. The size of 10 kilometers is too large, so much so that there is absolutely no way to stop it. So the countries held an emergency meeting, build an underground shelter together, 1 year before impact with Earth. As shelters are being built around the world, people rushed underground to find shelter. However, because the number of people staying is very limited, so that most people can only stay on the ground, accept the ending with your own eyes. A terrible scene when colliding with the Earth. 1 week before impact with Earth, the asteroid is moving at a speed of 10 kilometers per second. Enter lunar orbit. Under the influence of tides, tsunamis occurred instantly around the world. Natural disasters like storms, panic will spread throughout the Earth. 1 day before impact with Earth, as the asteroids continue to approach, its gravitational effect causes the Earth's crust to begin to change. Strong earthquakes occur frequently. 1 minute before impact, if you are lucky enough, will see one. The rock is the size of Mount Everest, coming towards you at breakneck speed, and under the enormous friction of the atmosphere, explode with brilliant light. At the moment of impact with the Earth, a terrifying noise will occur. At that time, more than 1 billion victims will disappear forever. Under the impact of the explosion, all life within a radius of 1,500 kilometers instantly turned into ash. Tons of debris were thrown into space. Shock waves can reach speeds of thousands of kilometers per hour. If you are far from the point of impact at this time and survive, there will also be shock waves. Bring earthquakes with intensity level 11 or higher. If you are in a coastal area, several hours after impact, under the impact of shock waves, the damage will take place on a global scale. The glorious architectural works of man at one time, you can even see tsunami waves up to 1,000 meters high, will also be affected by intense shock waves and earthquakes. All was destroyed. A few days later, dust in the sky blocked the sunlight. Will last decades. Not only push the Earth into extremely cold weather, plants will too. Cannot carry out photosynthesis and wilts. Even the animals survived. There is also no longer the ability to adapt to environmental changes, and all will die. The entire ecosystem collapsed completely. The Earth also fell into a state of sedimentation, and the people who survived underground would have to establish a self-sufficient artificial ecosystem and have to wait tens of thousands of years until the Earth recovers. Only then can humans safely return to Earth and see sunlight again. But fortunately, recently, scientists in many countries regularly giving warnings to the planet asteroid 2024 year 4. However, its diameter is only about 100 meters. Even if it comes to Earth's vicinity in 2032, humans can also pass by. Asteroid Defense Interceptor System, and according to scientists' speculations, even if it unfortunately hits the Earth, its power is only about approx. 14% compared to the Tsar's thermonuclear bomb. Therefore, it does not pose any threat to the Earth. If you find the video interesting and useful, please like and subscribe to the video. Thank you for watching the entire video.